Hi everybody, welcome back to the Canadian Traveler. In past videos, I've kind of done a bit of a day in the life of my work as a professional traveler, as a truck driver. I thought I'd give you a bit of a glimpse into what I do to prepare to go to work. It involves, gathering things up that I've, coffee cups and headset for my phone and going grocery shopping and getting my bag out, getting it filled with things, and a little bit of stuff that we have at home, some paperwork and paper towels, and yeah, lots of things to remember. Often I forget things, and I try not to, and when I forget things, it's kind of not fun because I'm a long way from home when that happens. As you can see, there's the Filipina Traveler. And one thing I really don't like to forget is my headset. So when I'm working, I can be hands-free and like that. And I almost forgot something else, I think. The second most important thing, a coffee cup. Because when you're a long way from home, and I don't often sleep at places where I can get a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, it's good to have. Well, I've been away from the truck for a few days, had some days off, and had a minor repair done to the truck. So this is what I normally do when I get back to work. You just saw me at the grocery store. Now it's time to check my truck, check the oil, check the fluids, make sure everything's in top working order, get it warmed up, and then we'll head out. This is the heartbeat of the truck. This is where all the magic happens. So I just did a complete walk around the truck. Check the tires, check the brakes, check the engine, make sure everything's up to speed so that I'm successful while I go to work and hopefully not have any unreasonable breakdowns. This inspection kind of makes me make sure I'm legal, but also allows me to see if there is a minor problem that I can get it repaired. So now the next step is to start the truck up and let it start warming up. And as it warms up, I'm gonna start bringing in groceries. So it's gonna get noisy. Here we go. And since I haven't been in the truck for a couple of days, I've also got to turn on the refrigerator. It's not on right now. So, just pretty simple here. There's a little switch right there. There. Fridge is on. And we'll get the air conditioner running. It's a little bit warm in here with the sun beating into it. And I'm gonna go get the groceries now. It's a little noisy in here. I got the truck running and I got the air conditioner running. But, so like I said before, the pre-trip's done. The engine started. We're warming up the truck, but I got the groceries to put away still. So, kind of a mess of stuff sitting here right now, but give me a minute. That's it. Everything's put away. Everything's got its spots. Stuff hiding up there, in here, up here, in here, in here. And I'm hot. So, I'm gonna shut it down for a bit. We're gonna drive to the yard. We're gonna find our trailers, get some fuel in the truck, and then we'll be ready to go. Noisy again, but we're hooked up to our trailers. We're just gonna do our walk around here real quick, get our airlines hooked up, and go from there. It's gonna be hard for me to do while being on the phone, but I can give you an idea. So now I have one final job before I head out. Let me turn off my four-way flashers here. One more final job is I want to grab some fuel. That way I can start my trip off fully fueled up and I don't need to stop for fuel along the way to where I'm headed, which is from here about a 5.5 hour drive. That's where I'll pick up my load. So I'll see you again in a few minutes when I go get fuel. So we're just driving across our yard right now, heading to the fuel island. Yeah, that's where we'll grab our fuel, and then we'll hit the road. I'm glad you could join us. Don't forget to click that like button if you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment. I'd love to read your comments. And don't forget that subscribe button. It's here, and somewhere over there, I think. Thank you for joining me as I got ready to go to work. I hope you enjoyed this. We'll try to bring you out in the truck again in the future. Again, like I said earlier, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like and make a comment if you'd like. You got any questions about the truck, how things work, you want to get a closer look at certain things, fire me a message in the comments and I'll see what I can do for you. But thanks for coming on board.